Hi, I'm Nate from Good Mayhem Racing. This is my 4Runner that we are going to race the Baja 1000 in. I'm going to get the seats out so we can weld the front portion of the roll cage that's connecting this little piece of hardware to this little piece of hardware. So I was trying to weld last night with all of that stuff in the way, the seats and particularly the seats. And I just couldn't do it. It was just too painful. I was howling in pain because of the way it was contorting my back. Oh, my back. I have 2 herniated discs, one on my neck and one on my lower back. So we're gonna get the seats out. That way we can weld with a little more access. How this actually works, I have the seats mounted to their own subframe that's mounted to the cage in 3 places. That way the harness and seat all come out as a single unit. Not the shoulder straps though, those have to stay. So, if I remember correctly, I think the max torque these things are allowed to have is something upwards of 100 foot-pounds, and I believe I did that. It was a lot. It was a lot. Okay. Nice. Well, for all the fear about that getting loose, I held in pretty darn firm. But yeah, I'm getting the seats out. They're getting covered with grinding dust, but more importantly, it's really hard to access, so. Okay, that bolt is out. Next up, rears. You see them right there and right there. Okay. Okay, this one's ready to come out. 1, 2. Bolts are gone. You can see how they connected back there. That bolt's gone. You'll notice a gap that's actually filled. There is a washer on this side to true it up. Make it nice and stiff. You don't want the metal mounts to be bending all that much. Okay. Give it a good wiggle, it should come. How did I do this last time? It's been a while, okay? It's been a while. I don't remember. Oh, come on. Yep. Aha. Very good. They weigh about 45 pounds each, including the steel beneath. All right. Much more civilized. The seats themselves were around $700, $800 each. They have adjustable lumbar. There's a version of them that even has like heated seats or like water, hydration, think Camelback but on roids, stuff like that. I'd rather have my water solution a little more removable than that. Okay, second bolt's out. Last but not least, third one. And the third one is happening around the fire suppression unit. So that's not easy to work with. So there's my mount, and there's the fire suppression. I want to make sure I don't accidentally cause that to go off while we're working. That would be kind of sad. Okay, these harnesses go through, they stay in the car. Okay, give it a wiggle. Okay. Seat is ready to come out. You're going to see the bottom. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Let me show you how the seats work. Here's the seat. It's a PRP seat. PRP Podium Elite, I think is the right name. But you sit in it, and this particular harness is a 5-point. So you have your lap belts, the submarine belt, I think is what it's called. And then you get your shoulder straps, and those lower three connect to the top of the tubing. So, pull this down. The seat mounts on its 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the reason why my setup is janked is because they actually didn't square these up at all. I was very mad with PRP in that regard. Their fit up was lousy. So I have a rear tube, front tube, a diagonal going all the way through them, and these cross braces here that hold the harness. Makes for a setup that's good and tight. And here's what the cabin looks like now. Nice and clear. Just ignore that center console. But yeah, it's a lot more room. A little bit of irony. You can see this fire mat on the floor. The one on the left side is in 2 pieces because I was too lazy to move the seat. So yeah, that's 2 pieces. Now, if I just wait until now to put all those in, could have cleared that. Oh, by the way, you see all this damage and destruction right here? This was necessary to clear that subframe in the seats. That was a lot of work. Well worth it too. Now, that allows me to weld upside down here, over there, and over there. So, thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I know this is kind of long form. Thanks for bearing with me. Catch you on the desert, if not my garage.